This bird could smoke your car in a race. The ostrich, the world's fastest two-legged runner, can hit speeds over 43 miles per hour, which is faster than the average speed of cars in urban cities. And the crazy part? It doesn't just run fast, it launches. One powerful stride can cover up to 16 feet, like a natural turbo boost. People even race on them like horses. But one wrong move, and you're eating dirt, with legs strong enough to knock a man out or kill a lion. So the next time you're revving your engine, remember, somewhere out there, a giant chicken could leave you in the dust.